Hi everybody. Today let us see how to book our visa appointment. Open CGI portal. We'll provide you the link in the description box. Click on new user. Select the country where you're staying. Give your email ID, first name, last name. Give one password and confirm the password. First name, last name should be as per your passport. Re-enter the password, confirm the password. Click the checkbox. Enter the code given and submit the application. So visa type is a non-immigrant visa as you are a student. Go to the next page. Please select your country or state of residence. It is India, Telangana in this case. Continue. Language of the interview, English. Continue. So visa category is students. Subclass exact visa class is F1 academic or language studies. Just recheck your details and continue to the next page. I accept terms and conditions. Click on it. And now here you give the details as per your passport. Your passport number, passport issue date, place of issue, expiry date of the passport, date of birth, and nationality. So once the passport details are entered, you could see your first name, last name are already auto-pegged because we gave it in the first page itself. And when we clicked on new registration, we gave our first name and last name. So these details are auto-pegged. So now I'm giving the DS160 confirmation number. In the previous video, we already discussed the DS160 form filing. So that number should be given here. Enter your contact information. Then enter your mailing address. Enter city, state, and the postal code as well. So now it's time to give your service information. So the service information is found on your I-20. Give the service number, university name, and the zip code. So here I have given all the three details. Continue to the next page. If you're having anybody applying with you, you can add their name here. Otherwise, continue to the next page. So here you could see that do you have any previous US visa in any visa class issued on or after your 14th birthday? So if it is, if this is yes, give yes. If it is no, give no. The advantage if you have any visa issued before is you would be eligible or you would be qualified for the interview waiver. You could see here clearly. That means without interview appointment, you can just drop your passport for the stamping and come back. You will not have any interview extra. In this case, it is no. So hence I gave no. So this is the final step of the application. Here you could see two details for the passport. So once you are done with the interview, you have two options. One is pickup, the other one is the premium delivery. So if it is premium delivery, this is how it shows for you to the mailing address, everything which you have given. If it is pickup, then you could select the city where you want to pick up your passport. Once you select the city, it will display the address where you should go to collect the passport. So in this case, the student requested for the premium delivery, hence I have opted the premium delivery. So this is the address where they will get their passport by courier. Once they receive the passport by courier, you can pay the amount 650. So instead of the online banking, it is you can just choose these banks. So once we click on the Axis Bank option here, City or Axis Bank, this is how our receipt is generated. So this should be saved and carried to the bank to make your payment. To save it, just click on Control P, save to PDF, save. So we can go to the next page and close it here. This is the receipt number which you will be receiving once you are done with the payment. So I'm showing you here the sample form which you will receive after making the payment. So this is the number which should be given here in order to book your appointment. You should wait at least for 24 hours to 48 hours for the number to get activated. Once it is done, you can enter it here, click on continue. First page displayed is your OFC appointment details. OFC appointment is nothing but to give your biometrics. After OFC appointment is done, the next page is your face-to-face interview appointment. Once these both are scheduled, you will receive a confirmation email of both OFC and the interview details which are to be carried for your interview. I am attaching you here sample form. Thank you.